Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Smart Tech. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to control the LED strip using Raspberry Pi. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set the colors of the LED strip using command line on Raspberry Pi. Before we proceed, let's collect the hardware. The first hardware which is required is Raspberry Pi. The second one is the LED strip. Now make sure that you are having the LED strip as shown in the screen and the appropriate power supply for your LED strip. At the same time, we required one MOSFET for each color. The MOSFET number is also mentioned over here. So as we are having the RGB LED strip, we required 3 MOSFET to control all 3 colors of the LED strip. Now let us connect the MOSFET with the Raspberry Pi and the LED. If you are quite confident, you can use the general purpose PCB, solder the appropriate cable and make a small circuit. If you are not sure, or if you do not have the solders and other components, then you can use the breadboard to connect or to design the particular circuit. Let's start all together. Power up the Raspberry Pi. Make sure the appropriate operating system is installed and it is updated. Connect the 12 volt adapter of LED to the power plug and start the terminal of Raspberry Pi. It may possible that by default your LED will give you some sort of color, but as soon as you execute some of the command, it may reduce the particular color or it may glow the particular color. At this moment, make sure your Raspberry Pi is updated with sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade command. We are using GPIO number as a reference for our programming. So make sure the appropriate GPIO is connected with RGB of LED strip. Please check your physical circuit connection once again. Our very first command to execute is pygpiod. It is nothing but a daemon to access the GPIO of Raspberry Pi. Without executing this, we are unable to access any GPIO through command line. The next command is pigs p17 space 255. Let's understand this command first. 17 is the GPIO number and the 255 is the value we are sending on that pin number that makes the color enable. So as 17 GPIO is connected with the red color, after successfully execution of this command, your LED will give you the red output. Now instead of 255, let's send the value 0 on the same GPIO pin number 17. It will make the LED off. Remember, here we have connected 17 pin with the red color of RGB LED strip, so it will make the red color off. Same thing you can repeat for other 2 colors, that is green and blue, but make sure you are selecting the appropriate GPIO pin number. Here in our case it is 22 and 24 respectively. Now as you know how to access the RGB colors on the LED using the command line, you use the different combination of the pins and the values, that is between 0 to 255, and see the different colors available on the RGB. Now put all together and start playing with the Raspberry Pi and RGB LED strip. I hope you like the video. Kindly share with the others and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.